Look at this kitchen cart. It's amazing. It's really nice. Let me explain all about it. It has wheels. It took me only like 10 to 15 minutes to install it. It's super easy to install and it's very sturdy, and it has like a wooden top. It's made of metal. It has hooks from all the sides here. Look how beautiful. And the wheels, they have locks also, so it doesn't move if you want to lock it. It's just like perfect for my little corner because I have my little coffee machine that I want to place it on it with all the coffee items in here. Look how gorgeous this is. This is the lower shelf, this is the middle shelf, this is the top shelf. This is the instructions. Super easy, super simple to follow. And most importantly, it's very sturdy and you can drag it around just like that. Look how nice. Look at it. And this. This is amazing. I really love it, and it fits perfectly in my little corner here. Hope you like it, and thank you for watching. Cheers.